Today I'm here to talk about Evergreen. All right, it's no longer an option to earn in dollars. For some of you who are in the same country where I am, you should be able to know what is happening to our fiat currency. If you're not earning in dollars, believe you me, you're lacking behind. Today I'm here to give you a small tips for some of you who have some capital and they don't know how to engage it. I'm here to assist you on one or two things you can actually start online to do. I'm here to talk about a forex bot which is called Evergreen. All right, you don't really have to have wisdom about trading. You don't have to have knowledge or anything about it. The anxiety that comes with it, the trauma that comes with it. All right, if you can't bear it, you can actually start trading. All right, the bots you're trading with doesn't mean that it's a robot or something. It's actually a particular person who is trading and you're copying the person's trade. That's actually what it means. All right, which you can actually access and see what the person is doing. You can close it manually. You can do anything. It's just like a live account, but somebody is taking responsibility of that for you. But the good news there is that you are going to choose any broker of your choice. The money is in your custody. The bot can't even withdraw your money. It can only pick a trade, and when it finishes, he drops it. You see it. You can even choose to disconnect the bot from your broker. What is a broker? A broker is simply a bank, a particular bank. You can decide to choose any bank of your choice to bank your fiat currency. That's the same thing. Whenever you hear a broker online or anywhere, you should be able to understand that a broker simply means choosing any particular bank of your choice to back your money. They have so many of them. They have Anzo, they have octafx, they have Future. Anyone you choose to use is buy with this Evergreen have actually done so much for you. This is not ROI. This is not scam. All right, any business you are doing and you still have custody of your capital, you should be able to know that it's a good business, because whatever you want to make use of your capital, you can actually make use of it at any time. All right, so if you have any fund anywhere and you're not engaging it, please, you're doing yourself more harm with the way the society is going today. Engage your capital with Evergreen FFX bot. What do you even need to start this? With a token of $500, you are in for this game. All right, the bot is for a lifetime. All right, but children can even inherit it. It's just like you renting a shop. The shop you rent, imagine you're renting a shop and your children can inherit that shop. Now, what it means here is that you are actually buying this shop for a long time for your children. Even when you are past, when you are no more on this earth, they will inherit this pot from you and start making use of it to be making profits. It's just $200, and the minimum you can start with, you can use to put goods inside this shop, is just $300. I'm trying to break it down for you to actually understand. It's $300. There are some businesses you want to do with minimum of 1 million naira. You can't even start that business, or $1 million. You can't start. All right, that's what they are telling you here. Total of $500 is what you need to start up this Evergreen business. Now, what good news do you have for this? With Evergreen, you don't need to pass through. I've already said it before. You're not putting your money. You learn to be in custody. For some of you who also want to learn how to do so many things online with their fund, with Evergreen, you'll be able to learn that. All right, it's giving you access to monitor 1 or 2 trades, know how the trade runs, and how you can even close the trade yourself. You can decide to even put a trade yourself. At the same time, you're also learning how to trade. All right, if you want to also learn more about these teachings, about what I'm telling you, you're so interested, just click the link below and you get started today. Honestly, get started today, because if you rent a shop and you did not put a goods inside it, your rent is going. That's the same thing. If you start today, you can start earning some profits. I have people who started last month, and by the time they bring their profits to the table, they gather their profits together. It was wow. All right, start from at this time. Whenever you just come across this video, click this link below you to start up. Okay, don't procrastinate, don't waste time. All right, it's something awesome, something massive. I've been benefiting from it. That's why I can be proud to come out to talk about it. Thank you so much.